Iran Mall's proximity to Tehran's two major highways has made it possible for people to have quick and easy access to the complex from all parts of the Iranian capital. Visitors can use any of the two entrances to enter the mall's tunnel or its overpass bridge. Iran Mall has 20,000 parking lots for vehicles and motorcycles. The traditional bazaar is one of the marvels of Iran Mall. Iran Mall's traditional bazaar can play a pivotal role in boosting the country's economy. One of the landmarks of Iran Mall is the Mahan Garden, which draws inspiration from the original Mahan Garden in Kerman. Books are becoming more and more important in society. Reading books should be encouraged in the society. Didar Garden. With its beautiful falls in the middle of a green landscape, the Didar Garden gives a refreshing feeling to Iran Mall. The garden is a sublime and serene place to create a memorable experience for anyone visiting the mall. The Prophet Muhammad Grand Mosque and 110 prayer halls in Iran Mall have been designed in such a way that visitors can access them wherever they are in the colossal compound and say their prayers shortly after the call to prayer. Iran Mall has displayed great self-sufficiency by relying on the engineering capabilities of the men and women of this land. The mall's construction has so far created 20,000 jobs, and this figure will rise to 100,000 when the mall becomes operational. This will boost the Iranian economy. Official figures show that Iranians spend more than $20 billion outside the country, while only $7 billion of foreign currency enters the country every year. Iran Mall is capable of meeting the needs of all Iranians here at home, and even attracting foreign tourists as well, a move that will help reverse the drainage of currency.